Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Microsoft Authenticator codes with backup step by step clearly. To restore your Microsoft Authenticator codes with a backup, first, ensure that you have backed up your accounts previously. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device. If you are using an Android device, tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. For iOS devices, tap on the account icon at the upper right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Look for the option that says Backup or Cloud Backup. If you haven't enabled backup, you will need to do so to restore your codes in the future. Once backup is enabled, exit the settings and return to the main screen. Now, to restore your codes, uninstall the Microsoft Authenticator app from your device. After uninstalling, go to your device's App Store and reinstall the Microsoft Authenticator app. Once the app is installed, open it again. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you previously used for backup. Follow the prompts to set up the app. When asked, choose the option to restore your accounts from the backup. The app will automatically retrieve and restore your Authenticator codes. Verify that all your accounts are present and functioning. If you encounter issues, double-check that you are using the correct Microsoft account linked to your backup. With these steps, you should successfully restore your Microsoft Authenticator codes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.